nematode and biomass samples as well as soil moisture and temperature data, and we're doing this because cover crops provide a short-term benefit to North Carolina soybean farmers, such as weed suppression and an increase in soil moisture availability. But insect and nematode implications through the use of cover crops has been investigated less in this state. I am a graduate student in the Crop Science Department at North Carolina State University. My project is focused on planting in the coastal plains of Piedmont and the Tidewater regions of the states. My first trial is looking at cereal rye management and how it impacts things like soybean stand count, yield, and soil moisture availability. The different treatments that we have is terminating 4 weeks before planting and at planting, determine if there is any significant difference between soil moisture and temperature, soybean yield and stand counts, as well as insect and disease pressures throughout the season. The next trial focuses on the use of brassica cover crops, specifically rapeseed, tillage radish, and mustard. And we are looking at different things such as nematode and insect pressures, insect disease and weed suppression, as well as soybean stand counts and yield. At this site, we terminated the brassica cover crop several weeks ago by disking them in, and this is supposed to help suppress nematode pressures. Last year, I planted at a site that had historical nematode problems, and we determined that certain brassica cover crops help to reduce nematode pressures as well as increase soybean yield. And we are doing more research on the brassica cover crops this year as well. Now, I'm very excited that my graduate research will help the farmers of North Carolina have a better understanding of the benefits for cover crops and how to use those to help with pest management.